How to join private Telegram channel without invitation link. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily join your private Telegram channel without any link. So first thing, just head over to your Telegram application and make sure you create one group. As you can see, I've already created one. So just tap on the group icon and just click on add members and copy the link. Just copy the invitation link. So once you do all of that, what I want you to do is just head over to any of your browser, and inside your browser just tap in the link you copied and just delete the particular section until this slash and just search in for the private channel that you like. So in this case I will be tapping on this channel since I like cricket, so I'll just tap on it and it will automatically take me to that particular private channel. So as you can see, it has shown up here. Just tap on view in Telegram and I will just select the Telegram over here, and from now you just tap on join button over here and you'll be successfully joined inside of that private Telegram channel. So that is exactly how you can easily join your private Telegram channel without any invitation link. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.